Hello, thank you so much for coming. Ano?
Hi, Sagun.
Oh my gosh, hello! Oh my God, it's you! It's you!
Hello.
I can't wait to watch Sunshine. I saw your reviews there.
Oo.
Grabe. Sana ganun din sa amin. Thank you so much for coming. Hi, Golden Reviews. This is Barbie. I hope you get to enjoy the film. And please be kind to us. Dream come true. Thank you so much. Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sige po.
Any. Iyakin ka ba? Magugulatin ka ba?
Oo.
Sabi ka kay Barbie.
Ginulat.
Dapat may katabi akong harawakan ko.
Si Barbie.
Ay, talaga?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello.
Okay lang, sanay na.
B77 now showing.
Thank you!
Grabe yung iba dito, napapanood ko lang ako sa TikTok. I'm so happy to see you all in one room. And honestly, pinakabahan ako kasi ngayon pala nagdodon sa akin na, ay, siya, kita niyo yung butas ng ilong ko. Ayun, so I'm very excited. And now I'm feeling kind of nervous as to what your reactions would be after the film. But sana po ma-appreciate niyo po ang napakagandang pelikula namin. It is a horror film, yes, pero we've been getting mixed reactions na na-move din po talaga sila sa storya ng pelikula namin. So sana overall it would resonate to all of you na napakalalim po ng pelikula namin, napakatalino ng pagka-horror. Hindi lang po kami basta manggugulat, pero it will leave you with a lot of realizations about life, about family as well, and about your personal issues, yung inyong problema. So sana po ay marami po kayong matutunan sa aming pelikula. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tita Rose ha, huwag kang puro ano dyan. That maganda yung review mo. Bakit? May pag-demand. Kasi wala ka sa Monday. Ayun, thank you po yung mga TikTok creators na pinapanood ko po. Thank you so much for coming. Idol. Thank you so much. Thank you. Enjoy po. Enjoy.
Okay. Let's hear from Sir Enrico Santos, our award-winning writer.
Award-winning.
Good afternoon and maybe evening na. Thank God, tumigil ang ulan para nandito tayong lahat ngayon. And I really would like to say that I'm very proud of this movie. Sumulat po kami ng horror pero nung napanood namin sa advance, umiyak po kami dahil ang galing-galing ni Barbie. The longest crying scene in horror history. 40 minutes po yata umiyak na walang tigil.
Oh my God.
My God, kaya po nagbaha. Hindi po, honestly po, it's the most dramatic horror movie that I've ever imagined po na hindi ko akalain na mangyayari. So I would like to say that it's more than a horror, it's actually very deep family drama. Hindi namin nakalain, gano'n ang ibibigay ni Barbie sa amin at ni Direk. And it actually tackles more than just the fear in us, but things like Barbs, yung role mo na parang panganay syndrome, yung kailangan ikaw ang magkumita para sa pamilya, or minsan ikaw pa nagiging ina ng mga nanay mo, ganyan po ang role ni Barbs. And then absentee parents. So, meron pong mga contemporary issues naman na nakikita natin na part of the fear of every Filipino, therefore part of the horror. Dahil naman po, alam naman natin ang horror natin ngayon ay tunay na buhay na, hindi lang mga multo at aswang. And alam nyo, may konting tipo, may konti rin pong commentary on parang AI, kung paano nag-warp ang reality. Pero ilalim na lang po yun. Pagka na lang gusto nyo halukayin. Pero all I can say is that pagka po gusto nyo i-enjoy nyo po. Mag-enjoy po tayo lahat today. Pagka gusto nyo pong namnamin ng drama, iiyak nyo po. Pero pag gusto nyo po rin alamin ang ilalim niya, makukuha nyo pa rin po ang pinaka-ilalim niya. So thank you very much for being here. I hope you enjoyed the movie and the popcorn. And syempre po, again, we're asking for your support dahil I think it's no lie na hirap na movie industry, Philippine movie industry. today. So people like Barbie and GMA Films, po, I'm very, very grateful that they give a chance for the theaters to still give out Filipino movies that will, of course, reflect our soul. Na pag nawala po, medyo mahirap naman, wala na tayong salamin ng buhay. So I hope all of you, critics, TikTokers, reviewers, would help out in giving a leg up to the Filipino movie industry. Thank you. Parang tulong na. And, I guess, ano ba?
No spoilers.
No spoilers?
No spoilers.
Yes.
Pag nag-write ng reviews, yes.
Kasi kung may twist na pag nasabi nyo, ang sasalita ng mga tao sa sinasasabihin, alam ko na mangyayari. So, huwag na lang po sabihin ko ano yung mangyayari. I think it's time for the director. I talk to him.
Yes. Direct. Oh, Bugs. Ang new generation thriller maker. Bugs. Derek Cabrido.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And maraming po salamat sa pagdalo sa aming advance screening para po sa I hope magustuhan niyo po yung pelikula and tulungan niyo po sana kami makapag-promote, especially na, yun nga po, sabi nga ni Enrico sa ni Barbie na sobrang hirap ngayon ng movie industry. So we were hoping for your help and assistance na ma-promote na maayos yung pelikula. Enjoy!
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you.
Screening. So everyone na gusto pong magpa-picture with Barbie, while she's still here. Yes.
Rinig naman yung audio,
Game na po
sot.
Ay, yung mga staff daw gusto magpa-picture kay Barbie.
Nain mo na yung power. Thank you so much. Better view. Better view.
Nagpa-video na.
Ay, no. Video mo tapos Thank you so much. Talaga? In a good way. Thank you. Thank you naman. For now.
Malit lang yung paa. Kung sa atin, hindi naman sa atin.
Ayun po, pinipilahan. Barbie Fortesa.
Patok sa pilabal din.
Patok sa mga match and yung ito. Sa mga bading. Barbie Fortesa, pinilahan ng mga bading.
Ala! Bigil dito ako out!
Si Robert lang.
Di ako out, ano yun?
Maingay daw. Sige lang po.
Picture tayo, sis.
Ay, oo, hindi naman. Hayaan niyo po sila.
Ako din.
Picturean mo ko, Biga.
Thank you so much.
Dito ka, andyan.
Pumila po talaga ang mga staff. Hello, hello. Thank you, enjoy po. Alam mo, may isang pa talaga ako. Sira yung upuan ko. Hindi ko na maibaba. Hello, kamusta? Ayan.
Hello po. Magandang gabi po ulit. Kamusta po kayo? Kamusta? Diba? Hindi ko na rin maalala. Ganun pala yung pelikula na. Nakakaloka. Ayun, so sana po ay nagustuhan po ninyo ang aming pelikula. Again, entitled P77. Sa totoo lang, kunwari lang alam ko yung sasabihin ko, pero medyo pinaprocess ko pa yung pinanood ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ipopromote. Horror ba? Drama ba? Trailer ba? Hindi ko na alam. Pwede tulungan nyo na lang kami mag-promote kung anong genre. Bahala na kayo. Basta it will definitely bring you into an emotional roller coaster ride. So hopefully lahat po ng genre ay natantosan namin para lahat ng klase ng moviegoers ay talagang ma-encourage namin to watch our film P77. Again, this will be showing in cinemas July 30 po yan. We will have our premiere night on Monday, July 28. Woo! Let's do this, guys! Grabe! Ngayon ko lang naalala lahat ng ginawa namin. All thanks to my director, Derek Cabrido. Again, as promised, we will give you a very beautiful, heartwarming, and goosebumps type of movie. Halo-halo ng dapat maramdaman. So sana po ay together with GMA promo team, please do help us promote this movie. Hikayatin niyo po ang lahat na pumasok sa P77. Sabay-sabay tayong hindi makalabas. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you, everyone.
Ako po si Ange from GMA Pictures on behalf of our whole team and Barbie, who was so brilliant in this film. Congrats, Barbie. I want to thank everyone for taking the time out po despite, difficult weather to be here with us. We really tried to do something different with the horror genre for this movie na kung gano'n ka-different. Sumobra yata ng different. It's just our attempt to bring something new to the horror genre, which we all love, and to honor every Luna and Jonas out there. So, maraming salamat po ulit. Good evening and stay safe po. Thank you so much.